Let's go! Hello, Zeki. Hi. Who's there? Shed and Gizzy. Hello, hello, hello. I hope you're having a good day. It's stream day again. Yeah, this time again one of the short side. But I have something cute and nice and fuzzy that we can do today to make our world more lively. Well, it could be better, says Zeki. Oh, I know the weather is giving you a hard time, but I'm sure it will be better soon. So let's have a look at our today. And that, yes, that's so unfortunate. I really hope not that much is gone. Thieves are filthy, ugly people. I hope I can give you a nice shiny day at least by the view of that wonderful baby here. Say hello to WOL. Mo. Thank you for the bedrock. So this is the victim of today. We do some improvements to the weight paint and give him some animation so we can let him maybe later this week roam through the pet farm. Thank you, Gizzy. Twitch money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course. So yeah, here it is, the beautiful, beautiful boy. We already have, I think, a pretty decent armature for that baby. Let's see if I can show you. Put display in front. Yeah, here are all the bones. So we have a nice bone set. I know there was another one we had, but I think it got lost due to customization or whatever. And unfortunately, it has no deformatives to them, so we would have to use the IK system only. And I can show you the overall movement is a bit off. So we can decide as a group if we want to see, the ear is wiggling, the rest of the body here, and movement of the feet is not the best. If we want to keep it like that, or if we just take a new armature and give him a fresh, a new one. So what do you guys think or say? Should we try to save this one or create a new one? It's up to you. What's easier to do? I think both. Both are pretty easy on their side. If we try to save this one, then I can do some weight paint, but the animation itself will be harder. If we just slap on a new one, then I have to do the weight paint again, but we will have some easier deformities for that baby. So it's 50-50. Second one, okay, a new one then. All right. Then we have all these parts here. And let's say clear parent. So they are not listening to that armature anymore. I can kill that. So boy is free. I can show you how to make quickly a new rigify. So here's some basic quadruped. This baby here. This should do a good job. Let's see. Pose mode. Many rig, no. Okay, so we don't use this one. That's okay. I'm looking for a nice rig we can use with some deformity bones. Add armature. Animals. Let's take a horse, maybe. Okay, this one has no big deformity points as well. Okay, so there is no reason to change that. Means we have to definitely clear this up and make him move again. So first of all, we have the ears and the horns, which are moving with the rest of that ear pad. So let's go into weight paint, and I'm looking for the ear bone. We got the head, jaw, neck, body. This one, for example, not allowed to move. Let's make the radius bigger. So not allowed. Not allowed. Rest is leg, etc. This is good. And I have a bit about the head part. Let's see. Jaw. Jaw is coming up till here. That's too much. Too much of jaw. Maybe like this. So the snout is still moving, the bottom part of the jaw, but nothing here because the whole face was shaking. That could be it. Oh yeah, and there was something about the tail. Let's see, tail part. This leg stuff is okay, I would say. I can't see where the rest is. Back one, back two. Okay, this should be fine then. I thought we had some issues with the tail. So I was quickly looking for that. But this is leg only. Let's quickly look into the legs. Just to be sure that they are not inflicted with the tail. Oh, you had got only the leg parts. Okay. Horns. Horns, yes. You are not supposed to listen to that ear part. Just head. And you just head as well. So they are tied to the head and head only. Okay. So let's continue. I want to make a little set of animations for this little baby here. Because yeah, he's a good little baby of around 2 meters high, something. We can later check. First, let's clear all the movements so he's free and in a neutral pose. I want to make him munch. Just moving the jaw, maybe coming down to get some grass. The sway of the tail, I want to give some animation, and then hopefully a walk. We did the little deer in the last stream, so I'm in a good mood that we can help this big boy walk as well. And for that, I'm looking for that dope sheet, but I think it was the action editor. Yes. Action. Let's try something simple for the start. This way. Have to click on that shield. And now we are positioning everything we need. I'll try to get this tail down first. Maybe do some rotation. To give him a neutral pose. Sort of neutral. Okay, this could be the start. Our animation, how long do we make it? Let's say maybe 100. I'm selecting all of these bones. You're not in the set, but I changed all of you. And let's click I for insert keyframe. Back to 1. And again, insert keyframe. So this is start. Oh no, you know what? We make more of that. I will bring that to 50 again, or as well. We insert a keyframe, so we have one sway to the left side, one sway to the right side, and we are passing through the neutral center again. This should help us. So means we have to try to move that little tail as good as we can to that side. I will make it just until 20 first. And then we give on the last 5 frames, we give it a last, like a whip of the tip. Let's see what we can do here. First, we need the absolute most movement. I can see there is still some movement in the leg. We can definitely fix that. Like this, and we moved all of them. We insert a keyframe. I will copy that, bring it to 25 as well. So I just have to move the last part like this. Insert keyframe. Perfect. Then we have to go for 70 and do the same, just in the other direction. I know there is some sort of helper to let an animation go in the other direction automatically, but I'm not aware. There's still a lot we can learn. Like this. Let's take all of you. Insert 25, copy, paste. And insert. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's see, where did we tell the action how long they should go? Dope sheet, nope. We searched for it the last time as well, I know. Timeline, here it is, end and start. So the end is 100. It's looking good, but we have this weird little stop in the center. Why? Why are you stopping? Aren't you the same? Yes, you are. I wonder why he does this. Let's maybe move this just one frame to the start. Maybe because this way to the right is a bit more extravagant, I would say. Let's bring this one more to the side so we have more swing to it. I will insert that keyframe. We copy this one, bring it here. And insert again. Let's see. What if? Go back to 1. What if this is starting with 0 and not 1? Thought we could maybe cheat a bit. That helped a teeny tiny bit. Yeah, that's more fluent now in the center. The pause is getting shorter and shorter. Yeah. Sweet. Now let's try to fix that leg part. There is something with it. It's you. I can see you. Leg, tail. Yeah, here it is. You're not supposed to move with the tail. Yeah, now the tail is nicely. Cool. First animation done. Object mode. I need to get back to the pose mode here. And to the dope sheet action editor. Yeah, the different actions. I'm sure there. Where's the new one? New action. Let's call this one munch. And again, I have to save this, otherwise it will be gone. This is so important. Need some wood. Do we have some more wood here? Okay, let's see. What can we do with the mouth? We can have maybe more mini movements here and not just one little loop. So I would like to go for this one. Auto eye key is on. I'm gonna add keyframe here. Keyframe there. And then let's just see where we put the other keyframes. Maybe a longer one. Then short 2020 or 15, 30. Hey, Garbage Crafter! Yes, it's time for the wall to get animated. We have, yes, we visited that beautiful, beautiful creature. When was it? Was it yesterday, Gizi? When we had a nice walk around the map and we saw this guy waiting at the farm, but he was doing nothing. So let's give him some life. Now for the munch, I would say we just try different positions and then see where we can go. Insert keyframe. Insert. Do we have something here? No. Just the tail was wiggling off that mouth part. Let's delete them. We need movement on that part here. This is just a helper. I have to save this one. Pose. Clear, first clear, because this one was a bit mistreated. We have to save both together. Insert. Insert. Thank you for the wood. I love the crackling sound of a nice campfire. So let's again try it, but with both saved. Yeah, first munch. So we went this way, then after that one. Make it move this way. We got a long one now. Insert. Oh no. I have to get used to it to just press I or whatever. I. And we have two different munchies here. And maybe a single one just opening and closing. So let's get down. Opening up that snout. And right into the next munch. Come on. Okay, there's a bit of an issue with that part. Try to fix it. It's looking sweet. The animation itself is looking sweet. If we go back to the sway, it's just this one. If we go for the munch, I got this one because the sway part got into that as well. I will select all of them. Hope I'm doing it right. I just want the munch to have it two separate animations because Unreal Engine is able to mix different animations. And the more different animations we got, that's nice. Now it's separate. The more variations we can have, like eating, sometimes doing this whale, and then coming down to get some more grass, maybe a pause, looking up, doing some little ear sway. Let's try it. New action. I call it ear sway. You have to save it, definitely. Get rid of this. And then I want to have the keyframes both ears, then we can let them like swing a bit, hopefully. Start with this ear. Keyframe is inserted and we do some really short animation here. Oh, can you see it? That ear is totally going crazy here. We have to fix that as well. Definitely fixable. Both of you, insert keyframe. And going back. Insert keyframe again. I use this pose now, going into object mode, because now we see what's still wrong. So the leg is inflicted. Neck, ear. Weight paint. There we are. It's easy to fix now since everything is shining bright. Back to object mode so I can select the body, can see if there's still something. Vertex paint. Oh no, wait. This is looking good. But we have, I think it was still there, up there. Yeah, you're not allowed. Oh, this is just movement. Oh, sad. I'm here for the ear. No, there's nothing for this one. Where's the eye? I1, I2, that is. You have an issue, my darling. Yes, for the ear. Just no. No. This has head only, I hope. Yes. Let's try to get back here to see what's still moving. It's that hair part up there. And I would assume some of this harness. So let's get back to the weight paint. Yeah. No. No, 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 no. Just no. Check the second ear as well. Yeah, definitely a no. Then hair part. Wait. Ear, no. Let's see if something else is moving alongside with that ear part. Oh, yeah, there's something. Let's see it. That hair part. And it looks like body. It's still giving us. Although it should not. Or is it the leg? No, it's definitely body part. Not like this. Edit mode. No. Here we are. Just delete them. So they not get any false ideas. Here we just need the head part. This looks like leg. Now it's ear only. Okay, nice. We can go back. Pose mode. Then we will start to move this ear. No, not that much. We can't detach it. I'll remove you here. This to the front. Keyframe. Down here. Keyframe. And sort of some neutral pose here. Okay, there is a little issue here. The ear is moving so long. And Yumi, darling, you need this copied around here. Yeah. Now it's just swaying away some flies. Let's see if we can do a tail wag, which should be just a faster version of this way. I go here. There's a point. This way, let's copy that one. Happy wag. I will take away all the ear parts. Oops. Okay, it's still there. For the happiness, I would like to move the ears as well. So let's take this and this. I'm not supposed to have something here. Insert here and there. Because I want to... Come on. I want to raise the ears a bit. So looking like when a dog is lifting the ears as well. Maybe we can move them both a bit to the front. A bit more up. I should put that here somewhere here, sorry. Something like this. Oops. This is looking curious. Insert a keyframe here. I will copy it, paste it somewhere here, so it lifts it, goes down. And let's make it a little dip, like Yoop. Yoop. Like this. The ears have bones, yes. In some cases, eyes have bones. So this is done. Now for the tail wag, we need some more extreme and faster. Wiggle woggle. Let's copy all of them. Eye here, eye there, so we are safe wherever we go. And not make it like 50, maybe we double the speed. And make it a bit shorter, not that big, but shorter wag. Something like this. So here on 25 as well, and on 75, because I do math. Now, in the middle of that, somewhere here, let's start our wiggly wiggly. I copy that, we bring it here. And when we are done, I can do some alterations to the first and second whip. Copy and go off a bit. So now let's see where we can do some alterations. Maybe in this case, we just swing a bit harder. Maybe a bit more to this side. This could be good. Make it a bit shorter. Give this big boy some dog tail spirit. Like this. And all we have to copy is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this works. Is this? Yeah, this is center again. Good. Do some corrections again. Ain't it cute? Make them more cute. Make people cry when one of them is butchered for food. Yes. We can make him like lift his head a bit. Like he's nodding, maybe something like that. Maybe he's looking up to you because he's recognizing you or something. For that, I need the head bone. I think it's, let's test this one. Yeah, definitely. So, again, one here and there, just to be sure. Then it's looking like he's looking right into your eyes, full of anticipation. Oh, we got the mouth a bit weird. Have to fix that. Oh, look at this. The horn is moving with the head. This part not. Let's see what's wrong here. Object mode. You're definitely having a problem, mister. For a second, we take away the front bone. Are you going to kill me to make me carry your wagon? Yes. Please let me carry your wagon to the butcher. And wondering where the sausages come from. No. Maybe these are just naive and nice creatures. Yeah, this is normalized again. He's looking cute. Now back to the horn. Let's see where the issue is. Weight paint. We got only head. Need full head movement. Yeah, this is good now. Maybe something with the mouth. Would you rather see him open the mouth when he's happy, or should he close the mouth? Try open. Okay, so it is open now. Means we take the Yeah, Garbage Crafter says open as well. So in pose mode, we are taking both of you here as the start, pretending the mouth was closed. And we... no, open, sorry, wrong way around. Let's see, from eye here to eye here. And now I have to close the little puppy mouth. I copy and... Oops, sorry. Copy. Paste. Yeah. Yeah, who's a good boy? We should do this. We should add like a little pad in front of that, and when you rub that, then he will get some yeah. Like, who wants a good pet? Who's a good boy? Yeah. You know what? We can go even more. Maybe. Let's go into object mode. I need both of you. Can I join you maybe? Control J, yes. Seems to be working. Shape key, bases. Close. If the value is 1, I go in edit mode. Oh, so we have to be sure that I have to explain this baby is like reset in its position when we are editing it. So now here in edit mode, yes, here we are. I want to take... Oh, come on. Let me get to these pointies. Like this. To shrink down my smoothing radius. Yeah. Who's good boy? The one eye is a bit off. Let's do it without that. This one is more top here. Yeah. Who's a happy boy? Let's see, can we move you inside the animation? I don't know. I haven't done yet. Holy hell. It's beautiful, yes. I know, I know. Edit mode. I'm now editing that that structure here. We're adding one single bone. This is our extra bone now. Can you please come with me? Yes, thank you. Can shrink it. I want to rotate it. So it's easier to control for me. So parent. Bone. Relation. The head is your parent. So wherever the head is going, this one is going with it. So head pet update is coming soon. Noted. I definitely want to do this. This would be cute. Maybe what would be fun if we just we hide a secret like invisible lever, like a switch, just here where the unicorn would have the horn, and when you do the patting motion, like rubbing your hand like from left to right, then you accidentally swing the lever from left to right, and this will be recognized. This could be maybe done to get this swishy movement. So now back to the eyes. I know there is a way, but I have done it only once, because the value here can be done with the driver. Let's see, add input variable. Edit driver. So there's a variable object armature. Bone. I haven't named the bone yet. Bone. It has to be this one. So, and I'm not looking for the X location, but the Z location in world space. So the value is now this. And we are taking var minus 1000. Let's try this. When I'm taking this in pose mode, nope. Maybe it's too much. I want to move the eyes with that little bony here. Maybe it was too much. The 1000 was maybe too much. Okay, we got it cannot contain special non-alphabetic numeric characters. Like this. Maybe we can do it without. Too much. Still too much. I need to see that value. Not correctly getting at this one, I would say. Bit more trial and error, please. Driver. Invalid Python expression. I want to know what the expression is the wrong one. That location, world space, transform space, local space. Distance. Let's see if this does something. want to know what the value is. Why can't we see both? We got more errors here. Our second bone was not show and invalid Python expression. Why? Local space, local space. Oh, okay, we got something in between. Value. Okay, okay, okay. Show driver and editor. Oh, interesting. Let's try it again. We have to see where this is coming from. I'm sure that it's just the error here that is giving us weird world space. State dependencies, no. Okay, now it has no error here. Why? Some values, minimum value. Distance. Distance, world space. World space. We need to get it. Ah, now here it is. That means the happy swag. We go down here. This is the normal for the eye. You get one here, one there, maybe one additional here. So, good boy, incoming. Embrace yourself. Yeah. Okay, time for garbage craft again. Oh, the head will slightly move with the hand. We will have to give it like a fixed animation just for performance purposes. Not will could. But we can see what we can do. A thought has just occurred to me. You can make cornbread or things like with the popcorn kernels. By that logic, blooming berries could do the same. We have to try. Yeah. Who's good boy? Nice. Next one. I just want to add a blink. And for that, we select all of them. And all poses cleared. Berry bread. I'm so in for all kinds of different recipes. Definitely a thing we can talk about. Now let's add some small blinks in between. fast is this? Then let's copy and paste them here again. Try them one more time. That's a bit much. Yeetus deletus. That's still much. I think one link from time to time is all we need. Yeah. Sweet. Nice, nice, nice. What about a head shake? We can take the blink and give it a nice head shake when you're petting it. That would be cute. A pet shake. Save. The head bone. No, I need to see the bones again. And we need to see them in front. Because you, my precious head bone, needs a start and end. And now for the rotation. Let's see, definitely an up movement. Like here, I move it more to the front. Copy and paste. Maybe like this. Let's see. Copy paste here. And here into the other side. I oops. Good boy. Maybe the ears. We have to take the ears as well. Okay, my little ears. 1 and 2. I and I. Oh, again. Forgot to move them. Okay. Let's copy and paste it somewhere here. I want to make this one more extreme when we are shaking. Maybe, yeah. It is shaking this direction. Means we have now to go in the other direction. So like this. Zip. You have to go here. You have to go down. I want to give it some back shake. That was too much. Head is lifting. Ears are lifting. They are starting way too early. That means we have to take this longer here. Ears are already starting to move before the head. Head is moving. Yeah, now we can see it. The ears are following a bit that part. They have to be like until here, so they are moving. Too fast. So let's see, we're coming from here, going to there. That ear has, yeah, this one has another point. Take them both. We need to bring them together again. Head is moving like this. Maybe this is a bit too much. Oops, wrong one. I and I. Both of you can walk until here, I would say. And then we normalize again. There's still one point not moving with the other. I think it's those two. You're on 32 and 45. Oh, you have more points. Yeah, something like this. Hacke Peter. How was the training? Sweet. That's a nice pet shake. Only one blue mark. That's good. I hope it's not beyond that jacket of yours. I think we should start now with the most annoying one. The walking. I take all of them, pose. Not apply, but clear. Deleting all of these points. Right arm, okay, that's something. But wait, isn't the arm part of your jacket? I will hate this, but we will have to do this. Okay. Let's start with the first stance. So one leg is in front. This one is at the back. Have to be like there. Let's move to this too, because there we can rotate and move at the same time. Yeah, there's definitely a lot we have to fix. Can do this right away. I will take all of these bones down here and make it an eye, so we can at least start somewhere. I will go back to object mode, so we can select the leg now. Let's go into weight paint, and we have to see. Okay, here's leg part. So the right leg has way too low painting on that. This should be the lower part. I reduce the radius a bit. Should you go with that leg? Or is this the wrong leg? Let's see. Right, left. Oh yeah, it's getting afflicted by both of them. So let's take the right one. And we say the color goes here, down, down. Yeah, this is wild, but it will be unwilded. So this is good now. Good leg. Next one. Do some correction on you. You're a good one. You're just listening to your side. Perfect. Chef's kiss, little leg. Next selection is this one. Leg front, leg front. Are you left or right? So it seems like this side is the wrong one. Needs to be reduced. Ah, way better now. Next leggy. You have only these vertex groups. Looks like it. Yes. You know what your deal is here. Okay, now back to our animation. I will show all bones now in front. I wonder if I can move this one a bit. No, this will move everything here. No. Let's rather do not. Those are all positioned now. Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Means at 25. 1, How did it? This. Yeah, at 50%. We need to go in this position. Oh, I'm right again. So this one has to be copied. All of you. Copy to the end. Yeah, at 50 we have to swap positions. You have to go most back you can. Come to the front. Oh, he has still a lot to fix, but that's good. At least we find it now. Again, all of these. And now we can go again to this baby here. Weight paint. Not yours. Oops. Not. Just no. Those are front legs. Because it has an F to it. Let's give it a new one then. Tail gone. Back. You need some better weight paint on you, my darling. So object mode. Take this one. Parent with automatic weights. That's fine. Weight paint. You are wrong. You are definitely wrong. You're so what wrong. This seems to be the right leg. Let's see. Left end on the 3. Really hard to tell between those. I need to select maybe the bones to see where we are. Edit mode. Give me the bone. You have 5 legs. Please don't tell me you are crashing. Now it's listening to me again. Find. Just see, I think there was another way of parenting I did on that one. Give me a try on this. I will delete that. But quickly go in posing mode. Take away everything here. Pose, clear all. So Leggies are standing good and tall. I think it's in edit mode. I have to select to these. Object mode, this and this. Parent. Bone relative. It could be that one. Let's see the weight paint. Are you moving how you should? Okay, this is a bit extreme. So it's only tagged to that bone now? No. We don't get the I key. Ah, that's not good as well. I clear that pose again. Select those bones. Check mode again. Have no modifying on you? I don't think so. Parent, clear parent, just to be sure. And then we try to parent it again. Then that's maybe the best option we have. Oops. At least I know the group of bones I want to use. Neck, head, jaw. Front legs be gone. You belong to that one. Not you. Chest is gone. So it's only these foot parts. But the weight paint is not good enough. You have to be a bit more extreme. Because this part, they need to listen. It's better. Number 3, not full weight paint. Let's get a bit heavier here. More in the greeny part. And you need to move at least a bit here, I would say. We will see how far it will move. That's a bit extreme. Weight painting. Yeah, this could be too heavy or too low. Let's see if this helps. Yeah, nice leggy. It's looking good. Yep, way better now. So we go here. And I can do the correction now. I have to touch the ground. You as well, my darling. this. All of you. The front legs, they're doing their shift pretty good. Now to the back legs. So when this one is in the front, this one has to move to the back. They are always walking opposite. Up. Perfect. Let's copy and paste it here. Okay, you're not working with me. I get that. Well, it was shitty in the first place. Then let's take all of you. I copy, paste. Yep. Not to you. I'm sure someday, we'll find someone who is way better in animation. We'll get some proper software for us done. And then things like this will be nice and fun again. Okay, so we got this. The shuffle part. Welcome back, Garbage Crafter. So this one is the back one. So this one in this second part needs to rise and lift. Can I lift you properly? Not like this. Oh, there's not much we can do. Interesting. The bones here are so long. The wool can't really lift the leg. Yeah, it's that, not more. Boom. Shift, lift, lift. Move, tilt. So now to you. You come from here. So somewhere here in the center. We need to rise you. Yeah, that leg is still a bit weirded out, but we can fix it at some point. So now for the back legs. Now we have knees. This one, the front part has no knees, but now we can go knee forward. Definitely fix that. Yes, we have to give it a bit more of this movement. Until here. You're not getting any height now. Let's see. It's when are we like this? That's too much. It's starting to resemble a living creature. I don't like the walking stance because of the weird armature we got there. Something we have not thought about when building this baby. I definitely have to go into the weight paint a bit more. Seems like this part is too much going in here. We are just here with the upper leg part. Let's watch it move. I can do some live corrections. Now the worst part, upper arms are stronger. Think about that while making the walking animation. Yeah. I just hate that we don't have more bones here. So the animation is pretty limited. And we have to do it like an up and down movement on top. This will be the hardest, I would say. Everything I've seen so far will move the whole body. Let's have all of you. We can lift the whole body a bit. Oh, this is only chest. With this one, yeah. I and I. So it's giving us a bit more this stomp. We could do it a bit more. And then go lower maybe on this one. This. So this is the highest point, lowest point. Oh, back. Need to. Okay, I got these. Okay, good, good, good. Need to fix this as well. Give an eye here. Copy and paste. A bit much. Either make it a bit more. No, we need to make it less. Pose clear all. Maybe just a slide. Slide. Yeah, now we got soft head movement. Let's add a slight variation. Just lift that part a bit. Go over it again, more out of frame. Yeah, this is looking a bit more. Yeah, it's working. Now to the tail. Whoop. New tail position. Down here. I and over here 105 I. Over here. And now we have to move the tail with the legs. So whenever one leg is behind, then we sway the tail into the opposite direction. Means at this point, we're swaying softly here. Copy and paste it to this position. to make them the same. Hey, again, why you? Can we please not? Oh, copy again. Let's try it. Paste. No, we're fine. This time we need to rotate this direction. I will move you slightly to the side. Now that we know we have a little tip here, I'll give this tip slight tip to this side, slight tip to this side. So it's a bit stiff still. So let's move with that bone before. Means you, my sweetheart. Also have to copy this movement. So this is the sidewards movement. Now we need to copy that up and down movement. Well, thinking why it would need such strong upper arm strength by the evolutionist standpoint, I thought of a new creature, but I still don't think it would work. Okay, interesting. In case of the WOL, I think they are perfect animals to drag something, and they have these horns. Like, they are perfect tanks. If someone is like threatening them, they could like give you a big push. So this is lowest point, means this is lowest point for our tail as well. Take all of you. That's a bit unfortunate. Let's try to maybe this sway motion that's getting us here. Yeah, that's better. Leg a bit more to the back. And now a bit more down. High. So now we can hopefully move the tail a bit up. Let's see if he likes it. Up until here. This one can stay. This one will go. Now all of you. Let's try this. Yeah, that's not bad. It's just flicking around. That's a bit too much, that one. Sweet. Let's create another rise here as well. Not copying them, so they are a bit different. Yay! That's sweet. It gives us a bit. Now to the ears. Why are you standing? Oh, we are in edit mode. Back to pose mode. So whenever lowest point, let's make it eye here, eye here. So now make this one go down just a bit and tiny bit after the point. Oh, it did not work. Damn. I did not save it properly, I think. Good, 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 good. Yes. My darling. Be raised a bit. Hi. We are here, lowest point, right beneath the lowest point. Hi, and a rise here. Hi. Was a bit much. Now to the other ear. Tiny bit here. Tiny bit here. This gives the body a bit of volume. Please record a short video of the animation once it's done. I can try. I still need to find a way to get this harness done without glitching. Can we do the harness better? I don't know if you unfollowed my weird idea, but scroll up a bit in case you didn't. The evolutionary standpoint idea. We have an idea for a honey bringing creature, but it was not connected to rocks. Maybe we can find something in between. So what if you do something like mixing up our ideas? I have the idea of a bee-like creature that makes honey, because we need honey for the game, but instead of insects, it's little flying fish. They swarm, they work pretty much like bees, but they are just little fish flying through the air. And we can maybe create a nice and fun hive that they can build. And these could just lay around in the fields before Stolika. That would be fine. This thing is looking so good so far. Let's maybe make it not better painted, but a bit thicker. Armature, add more modifier. What was it? Not lattice? Solidify, I think. Was it that? Yeah, this is thickness. Let's try the opposite. This is looking way better. Yeah. Fixed. There's a bit at this tail we need to take care of. Object mode, let's select this one. I need a weight paint here. Let's find the position here. Here it's breaking. I can see it, I can see it. The geezer says what? Fish that produce honey, didn't know. Sounds kind of fishy, yes. Yeah, the starter town is near a beach. We have, since this is an island, pretty much of beach. Maybe heavy on this side. Yeah, way better. Okay. Now, how would a fish hive look? That's the question. This is a sentence I never thought I would. Yes. The only thing I want to keep is the octagonal shape inside, but everything that is outside is still up to our imagination and how, let's say, a domesticated hive would look like if we want to have like fixed places where we get the honey from. Let's give this boy some nice animation. I need to film him now because he's so cute. We need still some sounds for them. That's enough, 12 seconds. Let's copy it to our Discord. Yeah, happy boy. I will make more animations. Dope sheet, nope. Where am I? No, where's the rest? I want to change it. Shit. Did he do this again? Timeline. Where and why? Action editor. Those all have this F to them. But where are they? Okay, the munching? No. Where did my animation go? Fish. We take this baby now, as it is. I will export the FPX so at least we have that one safe. WOL FPX, armature, mesh, selected objects. No leaf bones, but animation. Why? How? What happened? I have so many actions. Where have they been? Choose action data block to be assigned to this user. It's all gone. Why? Yeah, I did. I should push that one to make it work. But why? Why you're not happening? Oh, I can cry with tears now. Like, why? Oh boy. Can we save it? I don't think. I created a new action. Display number of users of this data. But at first we could swap between. Okay, not. I try not to panic. Let's see. Let's cry for help. Several actions. Map curse, fake user, data block. Push down stash. Maybe. I should click on the 2. New action. So, new. Let's try this bone. I want to see where this bone is used. Pose mode. This one. Yeah, this is not used at all. There it is. Ooh, it's still there. It's still there. Panic mode. Let's start this. Wait. Quick capture. Boop. Copied. All for Discord. Then next one. We get the earspray again. Was a good boy. Next one. The happy wag, yes. Oh, I'm so happy that this one is still there. Nice. We did a lot today. Quickly save, just to be sure that I have not crashed anything. Yes, way, blink, munch, heart shake. Oh. Capture, capture, capture. I think that's enough for the community. They will see the rest another time. Everything is saved. Everything is exported. And yeah, during the week I will import the animations into Unreal Engine. And then you can see the wall in all its beauty. Yeah, I think that's it for today. It's already 11 p.m. for me. So time to say goodbye. Bum, bum, bum. Thanks everyone for staying with me in this so shocking and stressful moment. Yeah. Thanks for enduring my panic. It all went well in the end. The wall is alive. people will hopefully like it, and they have a new best friend, then a lovely one. I still want to ride it someday. I gotta thank you. So everyone have a good day, good night, good whatever time zone you are. I love you all, and bye bye.